The modern era demands advancement, whichever the sphere may be, until a produced comes up with an extraordinary produce. Securing a large market share is quite cumbersome. Bosch, one of the leading brands in the arena of industrial and engineering equipment, is renowned for the spectacular range of strong tools it provides. Bosch Polisher GP012 CE, 1250 watts, 3000 RPM. Possess compatible ergonomic design and run on environmental friendly Bosch technology to provide the most appreciative polishing experience ever. The product has rubber standing plate diameter of 180 mm. No load speed ranging between 750 to 3000 RPM. And a manufacturing warranty of 1 year. As a function of its spectacular features, it is highly preferred by industrial both. And technicians for performing tasks requiring higher degree of impeccability in operations. Bosch has emerged as one of the most prominent brand in providing astounding products and services. For both engineering and industrial applications comprising of cutting, grinding, polishing, drilling, sanding, screw driving, etc., all the tools manufactured under this eminent brand name are they. And in a manner to provide impeccable service and save energy at the same time. It offers a broad range of 350 plus products including rotary hammers, surveying equipment, range finders, cordless screwdrivers, drill machines. Impact wrenches, and much more, delivering tremendous benefits to an enormous number of users. Unique features of Bosch Polisher. Energy saving. The tool is designed in a manner so as to ensure minimum power consumption and save energy to the most optimum limit. compact and environment-friendly. These effective equipment from Bosch is produced by adopting environment-friendly Bosch lithium-ion technology and are light in weight, compact, handy to ensure a convenient use. Solutions for both industrial and engineering applications. The products are manufactured by giving prime consideration to authenticity of engineering and industrial applications.